Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily sync Outlook Calendar with Mac Calendar. So, on your Apple device, just head over to Settings, then just start searching for Calendar, then just click on Calendar. Next is click on Accounts, then click on Add Account. From here, there are actually various apps that you can add your account and sync your data from. And from here, just choose Outlook.com from the list of account types. And from there, just log in with your Outlook account. Once done, your Mac calendar and Outlook calendar should be automatically synced with each other. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!